How to write full stop in laptop keyboard. So here you will get this key after comma before question mark. So after m you will get this key, this one. Without shift, just press it. So you will get this comma, and you will type so many time comma full stop. So it will appear like a line, dotted line. So to write full stop, just press this key one time, like this. And here is the comma. Both are without shift and question mark key. But make sure if you need question mark, so you have to press shift plus question mark. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.